For any of my other hair girls, I'm about to be your new best friend because I have figured out there's a brand new method for doing your own hair extensions at home, permanent hair extensions, incredibly easy, affordable, and you can completely do it yourself. Like I do it myself, and it is going to save me about $4,500 a year. I had the hand tied weft extension. So I had 2 rows. So it was $2,000 for the hair and the install, and then $500 every move up. Crazy, I know. But if you're a hair girl, you're going to get me. And you're also, again, you're going to love me by the end of this video. My natural hair is about this long, so pretty long, but not that thick. So I'm using it for a little bit of length, but mostly volume. So if you're a hair girl, you're currently getting hair extensions and paying a small fortune, but you love your hair, this video is for you. Also want to say as a disclaimer, because I know there are going to be a lot of hair professionals who are watching this video, and I don't want to offend anyone. Some people cannot always afford it, or they need to do it themselves or want to do it themselves. So I'm just sharing an alternative option. Now let's get into this new invention in hair extension. And here it is, Microlink hair extension, brand new. As far as I know, these just came out within the past couple of months. These are genius, affordable, easy. You can do them yourself. You can move them up. They're reusable, like all of the things. I'm going to try and go in as much detail as possible, but if there's any other questions you have, leave them down in the comments and I will try to get back to you. So these are individual little wefts of hair. They have the micro bead on the top, and then this little fishing wire hoop is built-in applicator. So the only 2 things that you absolutely need to do your own hair extensions at home are your Microlink extensions. You can get these on Amazon. They come in a bunch of different colors, and each pack is $50. I have 2 packs in my hair right now. If you have medium, do 2 packs. If you have very fine hair, I would say 3 packs. So anywhere from $50 to $150, you guys, for a full head of permanent hair extensions. Permanent meaning these are going to stay in until you move them up or take them out. And they're comfortable. Like, I'm not over it. Okay, so the only things you need, the hair, you can get on Amazon, and the clamp. And this is what you use to clamp the micro bead close. You can put them all over your head. I have most of them on the bottom, and then I have some at the top for added volume. But because they're on the individual little weft links, you can put them closer to the top. You can put your hair up. You're not going to see them. And it's, again, that micro bead link. So that is considered less damaging for your hair than the tape in. It's very lightweight and it's on smaller pieces of hair. So I'm hopeful that it will be less damaging. And also another thing I want to say, before you go to the permanent hair extension route, if you don't feel like you want or need your gorgeous, luscious locks at all times, the other thing that I would recommend you try first are the clip-in hair extensions. I personally have a very sensitive head. So these, I feel them, but if I want even more hair for a special event, I will also put down below the clip-ins that I use. 150 gram pack by this brand is $150. If you don't have a sensitive head, theoretically, you could just do the clip-ins, and that's going to be the least damaging option. So I did just want to throw that in there and also say, if you see me and I have a lot of hair, I have more hair than this, it is because I also put in maybe a couple wefts of the clip-ins because I'm a hair girl if we have not thoroughly established this already. So with these, how it works, get a little small section of hair. I start from the bottom and work my way up. I already have the bottom ones in, so I'm going to show you, demonstrate in the top area, but you want to get a clean, small section of hair. Don't just willy-nilly start grabbing sections of hair without making sure that it's a clean section, because otherwise it can get tangled or knotted up, and you don't want that, okay? So once you have your small section, you put that section of hair through the clear loop. It's a nice big loop, very easy to do. Pull it all the way up to the root, so maybe a centimeter from your scalp. Hold that clear loop. And then I feel around for the bottom part of that clear loop, and you pull it through, and it's like threading a needle. through your hair. And now your hair is through the Microlink. All you need from here is your clamp, and you want to clamp it shut. Nice and strong clamp. This is what's keeping your hair clamped to the extension. And then this clear applicator, it pulls right through, and you want to save those because you're going to use them in the future for reapplying and moving up the hair. You apply it, you just go in sections, small sections, as much or as little hair as you want to add. Even if you just want a little extra something, I mean, for $50 for one pack, these are the 20 inches. I've washed it multiple times. It's great quality, no issues. The one thing I will say, the way that this is, these sections of hair are in little circles. It can look a little bit stringy. So I find that it looks better the more volume you have. So like putting more of them versus just a few, because they're in these cylindrical pieces of hair. Gimme Beauty fine hair brush. This is the only brush I will use on my hair because it's very gentle. It does not pull at the hair, and I have minimal shedding and fallout, and you want to brush from the bottom up. Because these are the individual links, you could still put your hair up. It does not hurt my extremely sensitive head. In terms of color matching, I mean, that's always kind of an art, not a science. I was lucky, and I will link the color that I have that I got, and it was a perfect match. Maybe you can get two colors and return the one that doesn't match. So the color match was not a problem. And sometimes it is a problem for me as a blonde. I can even do my own all the way in the back. I get my little sections, and I have this angled mirror. This is another thing I would recommend you get, is this mirror, so you can see what you're doing on the back of your head. So I was able to do my whole head. How long does it take? It takes a little while. I would say 1 to 2 hours per pack. And if you can get a friend or someone to help you install these, I mean, you can be super fast. Also, I recommend you get this little hair holder. You can use, I use this and I keep all of my clip-in and extra hair extensions nicely on this, and it's great for washing. With these, when you have them in, just wash them, dry them, treat them as your normal hair. Okay, now for removal or moving up, there is a tool, another little very affordable tool that's going to make your life so much easier, to the point I can remove all of these in under 20 minutes by myself and don't even need a mirror, because this is a micro bead remover tool. And not only does it remove it fast, but it reshapes the bead, because if you do want to reuse this, you need the bead to be circular again. So when you're attaching it to your hair, you use your regular clamp and you clamp it horizontally like this, okay? Then to remove it, you need to make it circular again so your hair can slide out. Also, you need to be circular again so you can reuse it. So this tool gets on either side of that bead, goes from the top and bottom, and it clamps it back open so that you can pull your natural hair out, but it also reshapes the bead back to being a circle. So you have them ready to go, and then you just want to save, the clear piece, put it back in, and look at that. You're ready to reapply. It says that this hair can last for up to a year. I have not gone that long, so I cannot say that for sure. I get nervous, especially if I am recommending a newer product, because I have been using these for about a month. I am super happy and impressed with the quality of the hair. I've had no issues. This is not sponsored in any way. I will have everything linked. They are affiliate links, so I would appreciate if you want to shop through my links and support me and my channel. You don't have to do that, and this is not sponsored. This company does not know I exist. This is what I've wanted, needed, hoped for, something I could do myself, affordable, great quality, comfortable, minimal damage, just so good. If you have any other questions, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I forgot to mention. I really hope that the hairdressers out there watching don't come for me. I will have everything linked below, all the tools, these exact extensions, and make sure you get the Microlink, not the other types of extensions that they offer. So all of that said, if you did enjoy this video, send it to your other friends who you want to know about the latest, greatest at-home hair technology that's out there. Thank you for watching and for shopping through my links, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.